So the stock market yesterday had a huge rally. Oh my gosh. And you're probably wondering to know if it's safe to get back in. Is it safe? Was that the all clear for the market? So we're going to go ahead and talk about that real quick. And then at the end, I will show you 3 stocks that I like, that I'm watching, what I'm doing. So here's a chart of the S&P 500. And if we were to draw a trend line, you could see that it broke trend. You know where you should have got out? Right there. And look what happened when it broke trend. Boom. Then boom. I mean, people was hurt. Blood started coming on the streets. So what's happening now, the market is bouncing. Yesterday was a huge rally. Look at the slow stochastics. Look how it's coming out of the oversold, almost going straight up. I love that setup right here. But the fact is, we broke trend. The SPY is broken. So what typically happens is we have to retest this bottom. There's no way we're just gonna V and boom and everything is all good. We'll come up, most likely retest that low right here, just like we did right here, just like we did right here, just like we did right here, right? Right here. Okay, so expect to retest this low right here. I just don't see us coming all the way up and everything is all good in the clear. Let me show you something real interesting of what's going on. And let's go out to let me clear these drawings here. And let me show you something interesting. Let's go out real long. Let's go out on a weekly and let's look at from 2015 all the way up and connect the dots and boom. Look at that. Look at this, how we came down early 2017. Bounced off this trend line, bouncing off this trend line again. The market is going higher. I mean, nothing is broken when you look at the weekly chart. Let's zoom in like that. Nothing is broken when you look at the weekly chart. All I can see is us retesting that low or that trend line somewhere around here, just like we did over here, and continue to go up. So long term, I actually think we are okay. Short term, I think we're fine for a week, maybe a week or two, and then boom, we're gonna somehow retest that low, get those weak hands out, and then maybe we continue on to this trend. So let me show you some stocks that I like. Let's go ahead and bring up Union Pacific, and I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. Union Pacific, zoom in right there. Hard down. This stock has broke trend as well, but you can see we have a level of support. The VIX is high, options are high. We're coming into earnings on October 25th. You can sell puts below here. Premiums are juicy. Just make sure you get out before earnings on October 25th. CSX already reported, and it had a good report, positive in the aftermarket. Look at that. So I think Union Pacific will probably be safe. It will probably hold right there, if not go higher and follow what CSX is possibly doing. So sell some puts. Get that premium. Get that juicy premium. So go ahead and let's look at Tesla. Tesla, Chop City, all over the place. But if you zoom in, hold on, that was a bad zoom. Let me see. Okay, here we go. Look at, that's a level of support. I still don't like that zoom. We have support right there. Premiums are juicy as well in Tesla. Look at the slow stochastic, how it is just coming out of that oversold. I love this setup. I love it. Look what happened when it was right here. Boom. Right here. Boom. Okay, so I totally love this setup, but just remember it's still in a downtrend. So it has to prove itself. Let's see these moving averages reverse. There's 10, the 20, and the 40. That's what I like. Let's see them reverse. But right now, it's looking really good. I think you could sell some premium underneath that support. Collect that money. That's right. All right, so last stock. My favorite stock, Microsoft. How is it not anyone's favorite stock? You can see it broke trend just like anything else. But what I liked about the stock market semi-crash, everybody all that nervous, is Microsoft showed us a low. It showed us its hand, 104. Okay, this is where buyers decided to step in. Look at that volume. This is where buyers started to step in. Look at that sarcasm. Look at the relative strength. It's just always been stronger than the market. Didn't do nowhere near what the market did. This is going higher. I like this for calls. I like it for selling put spreads. You name it, this thing is this bullish. Going into earnings on November 14th, I see this thing at least testing sometime these all-time highs. Look how the all-time high, the 116.18, look how it kind of corresponds with the bottom side of that trend line. So I see it getting up here, and then we'll see what happens when after the earnings. So there's some stocks I like. There's the market. Be careful. Bring up the SPY again. Be careful. It looks good. Stochastic's looking good. But I think we're going to retest that low. Okay, so just be careful right there. It's not all clear. We are in a downtrend still. So let the market prove itself. All right. So anyway, thanks for watching this video, man. Thanks for, hey, come back. I'm going to share some things that I'm doing, stocks that I like, and we could talk about the market really quick. I hope you liked it. Leave your comments below. I appreciate you watching. Thanks. I'm Dre, by the way. See ya.